Hey everyone, Tech Steve here, and on this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Samsung Q60T. Now the reason that you might want to do this if some of the applications are locking up or you're having problems with the TV, this might be one reason. And the second reason, if you decide to sell the television and you want to remove all your information off the television, this method will work as well. So sit back and relax and let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go over to your settings and press on it, and you'll get this pop up right here. Then go down to General. Under General, you want to just hit Reset. You want to go and add 4 zeros, and then go ahead and press on Reset. Now this process will take between 5 and 10 minutes, and it will erase everything that came preset in your television and put everything back to the way it came out of the box. And once it comes back up, your TV is ready to go, so you can start programming all your applications, your Wi-Fi, and putting everything back into it.